Welcome to another episode of Beyond Blueprints. I'm your host Akhilesh Chitlangia, and today on the show we have architect Hiren Patel with his daughter Anushri. Hiren Patel and Associates have been changing the landscape of architecture in India for over 25 years. And today in this conversation, we're going to talk a little bit about their journey, the type of projects that are very close to them, passionate, and how, as a second generation business now, they're looking to scale and take over the architectural space in this country. Don't forget to press the like, share, subscribe button, and I hope you enjoy this conversation. Great to be here in your office in Ahmedabad.
Right.
तो हिरेन जी आपसे स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Okay, Achilles. Yeah.
Just want to know a little bit about your life journey.
Right.
आप इस business में आए कैसे? How did you become an architect? Why you chose to become an architect?
Right. So it's a long journey. And now it's
Right.
almost 35 years of practice, more than 35 years. I was always a very studious and so-called brilliant student in the school
Okay.
time. तो हमारे टाइम में जब 12th पास करके if you are good, you go to the medicine, आप डॉक्टर बनेंगे या इंजीनियर बनेंगे. कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग वाज जस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ बिगिनिंग, सो कंप्यूटर नया तब आया था.
Right.
तो आई एम टेलिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ दोस टाइम.
Okay.
So it has a kind of things that I still remember, that my brothers were civil engineers, study पढ़ाई कर. One night they were making a model of some apartment, and then maybe I must be in 11th standard, and I said भैया क्या बना रहे हैं? मेरे भैया, my brothers and me have a 9 years plus age difference.
Okay.
So मैंने बोला क्या बना रहे हैं? तो he said कि this is building, civil engineers will make the building, but an architect will design it. So that was the first time I heard the name of architect. एंड देन हमारे घर के सामने एनआईडी के चीफ डीन जो कुमार व्यास जी थे, उनका घर बन रहा था. एंड द लीजेंड द फोटोग्राफर दशरथ पटेल, they were, so every Sunday I used to see Kumar Vyas uncle, Dashrath Patel, and the auntie Rasmi auntie, and their exposed brick, exposed concrete house was coming up, and I was actually really getting mesmerized. ये लोग आते हैं, they are creative people. So those were the things, and I realized that they were the one who were the designers of the things. So somehow I got hooked to that, and I thought, हाँ architect ही बनना है. So this is how it was there. I got the result. Touchwood, Papa believed in me, and he said, चलो आपको आर्किटेक्चर में. तो आर्किटेक्चर, that time we had to go for interviews because सेप में इंटरव्यूज होते थे. तो उसमें 12th के मार्क्स का कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं होता. आप पास हो गए, उसके बाद they have exams. If you clear the exams, they have interview. That's how the SEP admission happened, which was very tough. So even I remember in my interviews, all the faculties were थिंकिंग कि ये तो बहुत पढ़ा लिखा बच्चा है, उसको मिल रहा है. उसके फैमिली ने बोला कि यहाँ पे भी ट्राई कर लो, मिलता है कि नहीं देख लो, वो आएगा तो नहीं. तो दे सके यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम बिकॉज यू नो नोबडी कम्स. जिसके मार्क्स कम होते हैं, किसको कहीं नहीं मिला है, वो आर्किटेक्ट बनेगा. बट आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर टू बिकम एन आर्किटेक्ट. सो दैट्स हाउ आई एंटर इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर, एंड आई डोंट रिग्रेट.
एंड फिर आप स्विट्जरलैंड भी गए थे?
यस,
एज एन एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम में.
या.
आप में हिम्मत कैसे हुई वापस आके अपना प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करने का?
Okay, so yes, I was from the family of my two brothers who were in construction of real estate projects. So मेरे से 9 years आगे है. So they were their journey. They also working somewhere for government, and slowly they become a developer. They got some finance support, and that's how they started their own journey.
Right.
Of which is Ahmedabad में they are one of the finest builder now. Is the name of Deep Builders. आज भी मेरे भैया लोग भी वही है, वो अच्छे बिल्डर है, बट दे आर स्टिल मोर लाइक इंजीनियर. आज भी साइट पे जाके साइट में कैसे कास्टिंग हो रहा है उसमें उनका इंटरेस्ट है, रादर देन आई एम ए बिल्डर एंड द एक्सेल सीट में इतना प्रॉफिट वाला दे डोंट हैव. दे आर still the old school of thoughts kind of people. So they were on the things, and surprisingly, it's like when I went for second time, I had a couple of work in my hand. I was doing somebody's house. My brothers के friend था, उनका घर कर रहा था. I was also started doing a little bit of real estate for somebody, and there was another person house, and then I went to Switzerland. So I that much of work. So I started my own practice little bit with some reference kind of thing, and then I hand over that thing to one of my friend कि आप उसको ख़त्म कर लेना, and I went to there. So meanwhile I finished and I came back, and after that again I wanted to explore the world. तो उसमें मुझे I already got the job opportunities Egypt. So I wanted to explore the Cairo city, and I really wanted to. At that time, there was the bibliothèque, the library of Egypt project was announced, and there was a European architect has won that project. So it was a big thing, and it was going to come. So मुझे था कि Cairo में जाएंगे वो बनता होगा तो देखेंगे, kind of thing. So I was about to go back to Switzerland, manage my portfolio, and go to. That was my plan. As आराम से no botheration of no life. My parents were really wondering कि यार लड़का वापस नहीं आ रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, And I learned swimming in Switzerland. I used to swim into the Zurich lake, and my mom used to say कि यार lake में तो अपने तो तालाब में तो भैंस और वगैरह होता है और आप जा रहे हो, तो it was all interesting. In fact I have lots of, because वो तो तब लेटर लिखते थे, तो I used to have a habit of writing all the details, sketching and out. तो those papers today we wonder it's really कि मम्मा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे लोग होते हैं वो बचा लेंगे आपको, those kind of. So it was a different world altogether. So I was very happy exploring those things. Meanwhile, my brother had an opportunity of making a huge project. It was 14 towers of 10 story. Ahmedabad में 10 story was considered a big high-rise building. So हम उसको high-rise बोलते हैं, but 14 towers was huge. And they say कि भी आप आ जाओ, or this opportunities for there, so make a stop. And that's how, in fact, I came back, and then I went again to Switzerland for the third time. And after 2 weeks only, he said, this is now an opportunity, why don't you fly back? And then I fly back. तो आज मैं सोचता हूँ कि इतना बड़ा रियल एस्टेट का प्रोजेक्ट था, मेरे baby, they were newcomer. इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट, they had a trust on me because they would, it's a maths, they have to become successful, otherwise वो तो bankrupt हो जाएंगे, Right. But still somehow they had a faith on me. And he said, Hiren, you are going to design, which is huge. And it was next to the Sangat B. Doshi sir की ऑफिस के पास में था. मुझे तो इतना डर लगता था because वो टाइम में कमर्शियल आर्किटेक्ट का वैल्यू नहीं था कि अरे उसके पास काम नहीं है तो कमर्शियल कर रहा है. तो एंड माय प्रोफेसर यूज्ड टू लुक एट मी, Hiren is such a brilliant architecture student, you are doing commercial work. So there was lots of fear and fight happening, and I used to see it, and मुझे इतना डर लगता था कि यार दोस्ती साहब यहाँ से पास हो गए, ये बंदा फ्लैट बनाएगा, अच्छा अपना सेफ वाला ही लड़का है, अच्छा वो अच्छा जो स्टूडेंट था वही है जिसने मैंने जूरी में सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क्स दिए थे. तो आई ऑलवेज हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ डायलेमा. But yes, the life started with that I came back because of the project, which was very big, and then started working on it. So I started with initially with that kind of work, and slowly the work is work, and started penetrating a different field of areas and like that.
I want to get Anushri into the conversation now.
Perfect.
You joined the business around COVID.
Yes.
Right? Just give a little background. Childhood, how was it growing up with him? What influence he's had, and then finally, how did you choose to join the family business now?
So, growing up, since the day I was born, it was pretty much decided कि ये architect बनने वाली है. I remember even in 3rd grade when the office had started incorporating SketchUp and stuff. So at that time I want to play house. So मैं SketchUp 3D warehouse से I would download blocks and create my little Barbie house on his laptop. So that was मैंने SketchUp वो 3rd 4th grade में किया है वैसे. And so always very much कि हाँ ये architecture करना है, सेप्ट में जाएगी, फिर things will fold out and join the business. I was not so good at studies in school, so I was very much a 60 to 70% kind of a person. सेप्ट में जाने के लिए you need your math के Gujarat board में you need this much percentage, NATA scores is this much. So 11th में Gujarat board had decided that we have 4 board exams in 2 years. So that was too much already to begin with. And I had taken science. It was too much. I ended up getting 70 something in the first semester. I was like, अब तो सेप तो गया ही completely. मुझे architecture ही नहीं करना. I have fashion design. I know NIFT में I can get entry. I am very good at my entrance exams. So I can score that. Mama got tensed. Dad was like, okay, fine, whatever you want to do. Cleared everything. To 12th का was happening. I was giving exams for all the colleges and stuff. तब फिर वो फैशन डिज़ाइन में ले तो लिया, पर फिर वो हुआ कि नहीं बॉस पसंद तो आर्किटेक्चर ही है. All my life I've been doing that. I've been surrounded by that. So we thought that okay, let's do interior design at Sepus. God knows what folded out. I didn't get admission over there. And then my mom was very strict that I was supposed to do my undergrad in India. But then she opened up because we were seeing that, even in SEPT, at that time, the school had not really grown. What dad was doing in his first year was still being taught at that time. Except was still in that transition. So my mom was like, okay, I will let you go abroad if you get into the world's best college. Googled it, Architectural Association, took it up as a challenge, got in and went there. So when I had gotten in, internet was not what it was today.
Right.
This is 2013. So there was some blog that, some ex-student was like, oh, congratulations, getting in the AA is very difficult, but getting out is even more difficult. Because it is 7 years of a journey, right? Undergrad plus
Right.
masters. I went in with everything, had to unlearn everything from India, with that typical Gujarat board mentality कि खुद सोच सकते हैं was never an option here. वहाँ पे जाके, that happened. The tutors were very much about like open up your thinking. It was never about architecture. We never made buildings. I remember in my first year we had a proposal जिसमें we were making buildings out of proposals out of vegetables. So पूरा week मैं vegetable काट रही हूँ और tower and boxes वो सब create किए and jury के दिन because we had frozen it 3 weeks के बाद थी jury. एंटायर क्लास के सारे वो प्लप 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 दे आर मेल्टिंग डाउन बिकॉज वो फ्रोजन थे इसीलिए द टावर्स आर नॉट स्टैंडिंग इट इज लाइक एक्सप्लोरिंग मटीरियलिटी इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर AA was a blessing. They learned me how to think. I also eventually by the end of it realized I don't want to be a typical architect. There is something else. During COVID time I came back. I wanted to work there in a
Can
bigger
you talk
firm.
a little bit about not it? What do you mean by don't want to be a typical architect?
So typical
What's
architect.
your definition and what is it that you want
So
to do?
typical architect as in, okay, you're a great designer, you start, you take up projects, design, and then that is how your life goes on. That is what I mean as a typical architect.
Sure.
Having 10, 15, 20 projects, and that is how you have your practice going. I already had a base. So
Right.
for me, I did not envision myself that, yes, when I do enter the office, that maybe I'll start leading a team, taking projects individually. I had that hunger for doing something bigger. I did not know at that time what that was. So I came back and I wanted to work for a year at MVRDV in Rotterdam, but COVID happened, had to come back. And I wanted to learn from bigger practices. Like, I was very much interested that how they were small practices and grew into big giants.
Right.
So there is Bjarke Ingels, there's Foster and Partners. What is the story? In Bjarke Ingels, he was bankrupt. And then he got his CEO, Sheila Maini. She changed the entire landscape. She professionalized the entire company and they became a profitable business and they're doing brilliant work. That was the sweet spot for me. So I tried researching, did not understand any of that because never had a business background. So when I came back, in my third year, I had the opportunity to go to Japan for a scholarship.
Okay.
For Japanese garden. So I always kept on doing different things over the years. And during COVID, because of that scholarship, I was supposed to design the garden in Ahmedabad. The project that he had done the Indo-Japan hall.
Yeah, center.
The center.
Yeah.
So, unka hi garden, I was designing. So, that was my first project. It was so nice, the Prime Minister inaugurated it online and it was a very
Wow.
sweet
It was
little
a Japanese
moment.
garden. It has become
Yeah.
very viral because
Yeah.
the Prime Minister, Mr. Modi,
Right.
inaugurated and then he tweeted and that's how it got viral.
Wow.
So, the first project as a child, you were like, oh, wow, this
Yeah.
is such an exciting thing. And then I thought of just randomly, I was talking to a few people and they said, they're doing family business at this college, ISB.
Yeah.
I said, okay, research it up online. And then I started realizing, okay, my difference in my company has to be bigger than just taking a lead in projects. How can the company grow? How can we scale it up? As a second generation, how can I take it forward? Yes, whatever design practice we have is brilliant. It's excellent. It is already top 5 in India or whatever you want to call. But how do we grow international? We were, 35, 40 at that time?
25 to 35.
Yeah, when I
which
just
may
come
all-
back. It was a small number. It was going with the number of projects. But to scale up, there have to be systems put in. There have to be processes put in. Then only can you grow. So I thought, okay, let me formally go learn this. So I went to ISB. understood, realized, okay, the mindset of taking a studio practice from a one man thing to a more holistic company is a transition, has to professionalize. So started putting all of that in. So yeah, that is my journey till now.
This is very interesting because scaling in architectural practice is very different from how you scale a regular business, right? Because creativity का बहुत बड़ा काम है. जहाँ creativity का knack system से या DNA में कम हो गया
तो भी नहीं चलेगा.
तो भी नहीं चलेगा. How are you bridging that?
So, as I said, that there are case studies like B.R.K. Ingel's group, Norman Foster. They have done it. They have scaled it
But
up.
they've not done it in an Indian context.
They are now setting up offices actually.
Now,
B.R.K. has.
So अभी क्या होगा वो नहीं
So
पता.
no, there are a couple of practices in India that have actually gone in such a model.
Yeah.
So at ISB with my professor, we were talking about, Anushri, why don't you? I was like, there is no data on this, professor. How do I go on with it?
Right.
So he's like, first take your international references, then look at other consulting firms like law practices. They're very different, but yes, they are people driven as well, and it is your consultancy based thing. It is not creativity, but you can still try to alter and mix and match to get your perfect recipe out of it.
Right.
I'm not saying I have a final answer on to how it should be or anything, but we are still experimenting and trying to find that sweet spot yet. Yeah.
What's the type of systems that you've put in place over the last couple of years, and कुछ गलतियां भी हुई होंगी, and what has worked, what's not worked?
So to begin with, I started with HR policies.
That's a good place to start.
Because I think it's the easiest and the most clear thing to start on with. So HR policies, because yeah, there are, these rules and policies that is in everyone's mind, but nothing is on paper.
Yeah.
So putting that in, very open-minded with that as well. I think we're probably the first firm in Gujarat to have a mental health policy in an architecture firm, because architecture firm is a very demanding. We're generally a very happy work environment.
I got that from your team before we started shooting, but yes.
So, that says no tears in the office. So, if nobody can talk in a bad manner to anyone in the office.
No loud voice and no tears in the office.
That's a good policy.
Yeah. So, in comparison to other firms where, it's like overworking constantly and you have a really bad mental health situation, we are against that. But even then, I understand people have issues going on. So, we have a mental health policy for that. We will help them cover it up. You come to us for help. There's an open door policy. So even an intern can walk in to dad's cabin if he has an idea. So that hierarchy is not there as such.
So still it's a studio practice.
It is still a studio practice in that sense. To boost up creativity, because there's lots of work. Everyone's in a mundane work environment every day. How do you do that? So I start asking people, what do you want to learn? Let me as a firm invest in it. We have these training classes, anything interesting you pick up, let's do it. Let's do a group training for everyone. We started in-house workshops like HPA benchmarks. So we have design exercises from the landscape to interiors. Everyone is given a design solution. You have 2 hours on a Saturday. Saturday is our day for these things. Even our accounts and HR people do it. So, it's a great team bonding thing, but at the same time, you're pushing your creative limits. We see a lot of interesting film. We have a media club going on. So everyone's culturally well exposed. Things that I see, things that dad recommends. These are a few to name as of now, but constantly looking for training.
HPA benchmark. थोड़ा सा depth में, I know what it is, but just for the audience, what is HPA benchmark and what's the impact it's having on the organization?
So HPA benchmarks is an initiative that our interior head came up with, that once a month we should have some design initiative exercise going through everyone's, through everyone in the office. And with that, dad will also monitor and give his own input. We want to introduce that into a masterclass as well. So you are getting constant learning from him. That is a base idea behind it. So the first one we had, it was a little design exercise on creating a product. Very easy, something very easy, and we had given a set format. Now, it was very interesting to see at different levels how the interpretation of it was. There was this young chap who is not good at sketching or who can't really translate his idea,
Right.
but is very good at AI. So he spoke to AI. Within 30 minutes, he has these amazing renders of his product, and it's there. So, these things. Now, I want to really take that idea of him using AI in my workflow to edit out all the clerical work that we're doing. I would say that, of course, when you're designing a render or making a presentation, there's a lot of clerical work
Yeah.
that is going on. Now, if AI can start taking all of that, we as an office can have more design thinking happening,
Yeah.
which should be a core creative process.
Okay. So let's say there are two different mindset. I was a person, let's say I thought कि 35 के ऊपर तो यार कैसे manage करो, because still I like to see it work and it's a studio.
Right.
Now Anushri came and said कि हाँ, but Norman Foster है, there are more than hundreds of the people. Still it works on Norman Foster's philosophy. So there's a way of doing it. So
Yes.
we constantly keep saying that हमारी scale up करके we don't want to lose the creativity and the creative process. At the end, we should be happy working. The number doesn't come into this. That may look nice when you talk with someone XYZ, but what are we looking as a totality? So we constantly work that how the office environment still remain like a studio, still remain like college creativity. There, you are looking for next day to go to the office, no? I'm simple way.
Yeah, you have to enjoy going to work.
Yeah, so I remember a couple of trial out we did it, and we could not do because we have become bigger. But I still remember. See, I always felt because of my studies in Switzerland and something, कि अगर पूरा इंडिया में Saturdays off होता तो कितना मजा आता, बराबर. अभी
I know you spoke about the HR policy, structured the work or this thing. But how are you going to ensure that the creative flow as the organization grows? And I'm assuming at some point you want to go into other cities, set up an office in a different city, etc. Any plans on that? And वहाँ पे how are you going to ensure that the creativity flow which you're famous for, that doesn't get hampered?
So, I think he's the source of creative flow in
Right.
the office, right? For that, I have to schedule it in a way that all team leaders have one-on-one time with him. And then there are multiple workshops throughout the month, even if it is in a different city, to do that. To keep on getting that. Apart from just project to project creativity, you constantly need exposure also.
Yeah.
So everyone from my team, we do make them travel. If it's interiors, they do go to salon, or our entire team goes to India design or art fair. Any such lectures, we try hosting lectures in the office also. When we move to the new office, we have a lot of plans. So constant exposure about these things
Right.
do help in the creative process. Yeah, these are plans for now to begin with.
हिरेन सर आप पे आते गोपिन हाउस सूरत. I asked your team before कि सर से कौन सा एक उनका बहुत पैशनेट प्रोजेक्ट है. This is the name that couple of people told me कि इसके बारे में आपसे पूछने के लिए. So what was so special about this project and why is it so close to your heart?
Okay, so obviously in our practice we used to work as a journey, and I still remember we made one sample house in Ahmedabad, and that house become like a dream house for everyone. So every Saturday, Sunday people used to come and see, and I remember even Karan and Anushri were very small. Didi, ऐसा अगर हमारा होता तो it was that demand. I say आर्किटेक्ट को ये we can't afford. हमने बनाया हम ये afford नहीं कर सकते, that kind of, right? So somehow that house become like little magical, and people love that house, and every Saturday Sunday वो घर देखने आते थे. उसमें कोर्टयार्ड था, लैंडस्केपिंग का अंडरस्टैंडिंग था, बहुत सुंदर घर था. तो उसके बाद I got the one project from Mr. Anil Relia. He's an art collector, biggest art collector of Hussain. and I did his house. He's a dear friend also now.
Right.
So he said I want usko to I still remember when we made his house. We made a house in two phases. One is the main house, बाद में बनाया. पहले एक house बना. He stayed for a couple of years and then we made the main house, big plot. And then that house was meant for the artists can stay and do the residency because it's an art business, and that's how he hosts them, and they stay. Ushe and Raza, everybody has stayed in their house. They work, and that's his business model. So I see when we did this, he used to go back to that sample house and do the measurement of that and come back. This is from art line, no? So proportions की समझ में है. So he also had fallen in love with that. कि उसके ये proportion, उसका roof का ये angle है, हमारा ये हो नहीं है. So that is how it is. After that, another client came, and that house became actually viral. If you even Google Courtyard House by Hiren Patel Architects, you get the one project which is Ahmedabad. So that also came because they had seen their sample house. So that's how my journey towards private residence suddenly started, and people realized, and obviously I realized that उसमें you have more creative freedom है, one-to-one connection है. So that's how it happened. Now, Gopin was a project on the Surat, and Surat में on river bank. So they came. In fact, the client did not come. His friends came, and उसके friend आए और यहाँ पे they came and they say we have our this land and we want you to design because we have seen your courtyard, नाम सुना है ऐसे करके. So and Surat is what? Surat is more connected to Mumbai.
Yeah.
उसका कनेक्ट है, उसको खरीदना है तो शॉपिंग करेंगे मुंबई में.
मुंबई जाता है,
अहमदाबाद नहीं आता. सुरतीस लोग से अहमदाबाद वाले बहुत कंजूस होते हैं. वो एकदम इमेज थे, इतनी चाय पिलाएंगे. और तो मैं हमेशा ऐसा बोलता हूँ वो पानी का होता है तो हमारे पहले साबरमती होती थी तो हम इतने ही पिलाते. उसके बाद अभी नर्मदा जुड़ गई, नर्मदा वर्ड कम, तो हम भी बड़े हो गए. तो पूरा तो आई ऑलवेज स्टिल लाफ ऑन दिस कि यार पानी का ही कमाल होता है. नर्मदा का पानी आया तो हम भी, नहीं तो ऐसे ऐसे बोलेंगे तू चाय दो, यानी वो समझ जाएगी चाय बिजली नहीं है. दैट वाज अहमदाबाद, नो टिपिकल. तो एनीवे, so they came here. And I still remember our account guy say, he wanted. हमेशा मैं बोलता हूँ कि क्रिएटिव में मुझे रखो, अकाउंट के लिए मेरे अकाउंट से बात कर लो ऐसे करके, डोंट फील ऑफेंडेड. वो फॉर्मेट ऐसे करके. तो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि मैंने केतन को जाके बोला कि यार तू फी फाइनल कर देना यार, तो मेरा ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है. केतन बोल रहा है कि यार ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट क्या होता है. मैंने बोला ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट रिवर फ्रंट होता है और ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट आर्किटेक्ट फ्री में काम करता है. तो इट वाज लाइक वेरी फनी स्टोरी. एंड देन फाइनली वी गेट इनटू द प्रोजेक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. So obviously it was on a river bank. Then when I went to see, they wanted to make like a farmhouse, big farmhouse, freedom. And the client says कि भाई यार जैसे डॉक्टर को मिलते हैं ना, तो डॉक्टर को सलाह मत देना, हिरन भी जो बोले कर देना. हमारा रिक्वेस्ट हो गया उसको डोंट एडवाइस, लाइक ही इज अ डॉक्टर, ही विल मेक व्हाट एवर वे इज फाइन. सो देन ही यूज्ड टू लिव इन ब्यूटीफुल पेंट हाउस. और उनके पेंट हाउस से ये घर इट टुक मी 5 minutes to reach. So I could sense कि ये उनका फर्स्ट हाउस हो जाएगा. They were not believing, we are happy. तो बाहर का फार्म हाउस है, सिटी इतना कहाँ आएगा. But it took 5 minutes from his apartment. So I know कि this is by the time we'll finish the project or maybe 2 more years, it will become first house. So the kind of material palette I use which can go in a first house. ऐसा नहीं मैंने बना कर एकदम rugged rustic बना दिया. जब first house होता है तो ये maintenance करना difficult होगा. तो that was very much clarity we had. Second, my client said that I am coming from a very small village of Gujarat, from Saurashtra, and I made my fortune. I came here, diamond का काम करने का कारीगर बन के आया था, and he made his fortune, one of the big guy of the city. So he said, our village houses were so beautiful, aren't they? And I say, wow, why can't we think of village house kind of thing? So that time I had मैं exposed concrete का पूरा बनाऊंगा, तड़ा वंदा जैसा बनाऊंगा, freedom था. But then we took a kind of material palette form, which is of, I would say, let's say inspired from that, inspired from Bali, resorts kind of thing, because big thing. So that's how we did. And obviously landscaping was very important. Working with the grid. And then that house was so large a canvas that overnight में नहीं होता है. So while we were making, there was always I was looking for the master strokes. तो अभी अच्छा ऐसा ऐड करें without breaking anything. So there was constant improvement kept happening while making that house. And interior and landscaping also become very important. Is client was that कि भाई पैसा का उनका कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, तो वो फुल फ्रीडम एंड वेरी क्लियर इज अ डॉक्टर, डोंट इवन डिस्टर्ब व्हाट ही. मेरा 5 रूम चाहिए तो 5 रूम का हो गया, बाकी उन पे छोड़ो, उनको लकड़ा का करना है कि कांच का करना है, डोंट बोदर. I knew he loves wood. That's why we use maximum wood. He loves natural wood. So that journey of making house come out with a different scale, with a good proportion, and completely that land has changed to the retreat of green. That is how it is very dear to the heart. And touch wood, we are so happy that gentleman keeps that house so beautifully. And he's a simple man. So again वो simple वो बॉन्ड रिच नहीं है, उसका एक लिगेसी रहने वाला है ना. और मेरे मिलियनर से तो उसका वो लाइफ है, ये भी सिंपल में से बना है, तो वो एक मजा आता है. ही इज ऑल्सो बहुत सिंपल है, बट उसके पास फॉर्च्यून है, तो ही इज मेंटेनिंग वेल. सो दैट्स हाउ दैट हाउस हैज लिटिल कनेक्ट. एंड इट हाउस ओपन फॉर एवरीवन. सूरत का कोई भी बंदा जाके मुझे देखना है तो चलो. You nobody people are taking pictures. Highest number of pre-wedding shoot has happened in India is that open house. आप फोन ही करो कि हमारा प्री वेडिंग शूटिंग का आ जाओ बच्चों, खाना बना खाना, फोटोग्राफर के ले जाओ. तो इट इज अमेजिंग प्लेस. इवन ही लिव्स देयर नाउ.
I don't know if it's still open now.
It's kind of still
He's a very hospitable person. So you know, कोई भी जाएगा तो खाना खा के ही जाने का. I remember when I had once gone for a shoot. तो वहाँ पे his daughter is a friend of mine as well. So she was like, see Anushri, you know, ये डायरी है, इसमें इतने सारे फोटो शूट है ये वीक के वेडिंग के फोटो शूट. एंड we're going across the place and then एक साइड पे एक कपल शूट चल रहा है, दूसरी साइड पे दूसरा चल रहा है. She's like, Papa, you know, he likes, he can't say no to people. So if someone comes to, he'll say yes.
And even I remember, because landscaping keeps going on. So as a house was completely ready, I used to go for site visit. And जैसे 11 बजे suddenly you start seeing so many people coming, because आप 11-12 बजे तो आपको खाने लेके ही वापस जाएंगे. तो देना वो फार्मर आया है, कुछ तो मिला, वो they come because of one reason to meet the साहब को मिलने, but the main intention was to have a lovely food and go back.
The food is brilliant.
25 people at 11 o'clock.
The food at places like this is always brilliant.
Yeah,
वो दिल से बनता है ना.
So somehow that gets connected, apart from the good design to the end result which has come out nice. But yeah.
You're also working on a real estate project.
Yes.
By the name of Monkey Forest.
Yes.
Yeah. Again, the team told me that you're very, very passionate about this, and this is a dream project. So, this is both of you are working on this together. Why is it so passionate for both of you?
So how the idea came is when I was back in 2020 COVID time. हमारे घर में we have this extension room which is a glass room, and there's a beautiful pond outside. We call it the magnet of the house basically.
Okay.
COVID में everyone was in that room, so everyone wanted space. तो ऐसा टाइम टेबल टाइप ही था. अभी आज सुबह पापा की मीटिंग, मेरे दोपहर के वो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, मेरे भाई के, मामा का योगा और समथिंग लाइक दैट. And that experience really saved us in COVID, because that happiness we used to get from that room connected to that nature. We have a very small house. It's not a big house. So that feeling, and at that time there were a lot of plotting schemes coming into design.
Right.
There was a boom in Ahmedabad. So somewhere along the line, I pitched to Dad that why don't we make our own project? And there was always a dream. So he had come up with some really lovely ideas. Why don't you talk about that?
Okay, so yeah, see, I'm from the family background, the real estate. My brothers are there, but I always wanted to become an architect. तो मुझे वो I never wanted to become, so I become always architect for my brothers. So I always say कि भाई मुझे डेवलपर नहीं बना है. डेवलपर बना तो मैं 35 years बन चुका था. मेरे ब्रदर फैमिली है ना, तो something like this. Now I remember that when she come and because I'm architect for my brother's family, right? So Anushri used to, अरे लंदन में condominium तो इतने सुंदर होते हैं, because now we both are architect. Our thought process are different. जैसे चाचू ऐसे क्यों नहीं बनाते? Why my uncle is not making like this? And I always say everybody has their own maths. I always say if somebody asks you to make a Bata, make best Bata. Don't ask for the Reebok or Nike.
Right.
आप सही प्रोडक्ट वो क्लाइंट के लिए बनाओ. जो मेरा भाई है और XYZ, आई डू डिज़ाइन फॉर देम. तो आई से कि भाई ये है, बट उनकी फिलोसफी में नहीं बैठेगा तो उनके हिसाब से बनाओ, नहीं तो वो भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगा, हमारा भी होगा नो. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट वी नो कि मे बी दिस प्रोडक्ट वुड हैव बीन गुड, बट उनका वो थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं, तो आप यू विल ट्राई, इट विल नॉट हैपन. सो आई से अनुश्री, ये अगर ऐसा करें तो आपको खुद बनाना पड़ेगा नो. काइंड ऑफ वी हैव टू मेक इट बाय आवर सेल्फ. यस. Now jumping into the real estate is a huge risk in a way. No, you can become bankrupt. I mean, because and especially when you work like an architect as a consultant, suddenly so much of pressure of finance to manage would become difficult. So for me, for us, it was a good that मेरा backup plan था कि हमने अगर वो किया नहीं सक्सेसफुल हुआ तो भैया को बोले कि उसको हैंडल कर लो, तो वो कर लेंगे आराम से, बोलेंगे यार मैंने तो मना किया था, मना किया था. I still remember I went to my brothers and I said कि ऐसे सोच आ रही है, नो we have already decided, we have got the monkey forest land, हमने डन कर दिया था. तो काइंड ऑफ ब्रदर को जाके बोला, I tell you, see when youth came and started the working, we used to say that Hiren is a brother of the builders, because the builders was a good, today is a very good name in city. आज हम उल्टा बोलते हैं, हम हिरेन पटेल आर्किटेक्ट के भाई है. तो ही से यू डन नाइसली, हमारी जर्नी अच्छी है, वी वर फ्रॉम सिंपल फैमिली, थिंग्स लुक रोजी, बट why are you disturbing your life at the age of what? I'm heading towards 60. Your lovely journey, carry your, आपका जो strength है उस पर ही काम कर रहे, keep doing. और मैंने बोला सर भैया तीर छूट गया है, अभी गड़बड़ होगी तो आपको पकड़ लेना है, अनुश्री का तो ये तुक्का है, तो we are doing. And then my nephews also like little supportive, I would say, kind of.
Yeah, my cousins were very helpful.
हाँ अनुश्री अच्छा से.
Yeah, they would teach me.
जैसे अनुश्री करो चलो हम help करेंगे. So and the being a girl doing a developer, it's a new thing in Ahmedabad for us, no? So Anushri is let's say developing it. But that's how we thought, okay, we want to create something experience. So design, built and maintained by HPA would have been something unique. Nobody has thought of it. तो अभी मेंटेन तो क्या करेंगे, हम लोग बोर्ड पे लिख दो मेंटेन करेंगे तो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो गई है. तो वी थॉट कि जब वो मंकी फॉरेस्ट का बोर्ड बना तो लेके मेंटेन बाय आल्सो HPA कर लिख दो, तो वी आर मॉरली बाइंड, नो. तो दिस हाउ वी टुक दैट एंड देन वी रियलाइज कि वी आर ऑलवेज इन सर्विस लाइन, हमने हमेशा सर्विस. तो हमारे आज मेंबर्स भी है तो उसको मेंबर्स के हिसाब से देखते हैं, वी ऑलवेज प्रोवाइड द सर्विस टू देम. So somehow that simplicity has worked for us. People had a faith of on us to see kind of we have been creating, so they are happy. So I think now मैं हंसते हंसते बोलता हूँ ना कि मेरी 35 इयर्स में सबसे अच्छा है मेरे को क्लाइंट मिला है वो हिरेन पटेल खुद है. तो उसमें मैं कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करूँगा. तो आज लेट्स से वी हैव लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम सेइंग कि भाई दिस इज डिजाइनर्स पेपर लैम्प. ना पेपर लैम्प की कॉस्ट होती है 5,000 रुपया, मैं ओरोविल से लेकर आऊँगा तो 5,000. बट इफ दिस सिग्नेचर पेपर लैम्प इट मे गो मे बी लैक्स ऑफ रुपी फॉर एग्जाम्पल. वी विल डू दैट. Okay, we want art of some sculpture or something, because we understand that. वो justify my real estate में नहीं कर. But now we have freedom, so then we started doing that and we are enjoying that. So that's why अभी जल्दी नहीं है. Client को भी बोलते यार वो बन रहा है आपका बनाएंगे, आप ट्रस्ट रखिएगा, but it's a journey. Let's not. So we say we are people without an Excel sheet. We don't do anything on Excel sheet. तो आज भी वही साइट पे होता है कि अच्छा ये हम कमर्शियल कर रहे हैं तो वो ग्रेनाइट का फ्लोरिंग लग रहा है तो या 18 में का 16 में हो जाएगा. हम बोलते हैं भैया 22 का ही डालो, सोचो ही मत वो. तो that is where we are enjoying, because now we think. So our talk is different. We say who is our inspiration? So David Hockney, our painter, is our inspiration. The DSN Durga is a perfume maker from New York, is our inspiration. अभी क्लाइंट को बोलूँगा तो बोलेंगे ये लोग तो पागल हो गए हैं. करेक्ट. सेम थिंग वी टॉक के यहाँ बैठ के कॉफ़ी पियेंगे. सो वी टॉक ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज वी हैव बीन ट्रेन. नाउ फर्स्ट हमको चांस में, और हमारे वो माली वो स्टोन वाला इसे देख रहा है कि यार ये क्या था बातें पहले सर. मैंने बोला भैया आप सबकी मैं टिकट करता हूँ, माई माली, माई फ्लोरिंग गाय, माई गार्डनिंग का वो सबको, और मेरे इंजीनियर को पकड़ के मैंने ओरविल भेजा. और मोना डॉक्टर वहीं पे इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट आर्किटेक्ट देयर, मिस स्टेइंग विद मिस Popo. Okay. He started his journey started from the Orville making. तो ऐसे आप ओरविल जाओ, समझो कि हम लोग क्या बनाने, स्पिरिचुअली क्वालिटी क्या होती है बनाने सोच रहे हैं. तो ऐसे मैंने बोला कि मोना आप सब मातृ मंदिर सब प्रोजेक्ट दिखाना. गुजराती किसी को उनको आता नहीं, फर्स्ट टाइम दे आर फ्लाइंग द एयरक्राफ्ट एंड दे आर कमिंग. सो देन दे केम बैक एंड काइंड ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट. अभी हमारे साइड ऑफिस पे सी अरविंद और मदर के बड़े बड़े फोटो है. So that's what it is now. In our monkey forest we have daily dining. वो फैक्ट्री में, आपके फैक्ट्री में होता है, रियल एस्टेट में होता है. Now we are cooking happily. उसमें वर्कर में से 2 लेडीज को हम भी फाइंड कि ये लेके जा रहे हैं, उसका वो काम नहीं था. सी वो वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट कुक. Now she is cooking happily for everyone. So it's an entire journey we are enjoying. It's like an ashram we are making. So we say अच्छा वो स्वामीनारायण मंदिर का टेम्पल बना के कितना माहौल होता है. Let's work on that. वो तो बनाएंगे नहीं, वो तो बने ही जाएगा. तो I would say that process we started enjoying a lot. So that's how it is dear to us. And we know we are not going to compromise. और हमारा वो thought process नहीं, excessive तो है ही नहीं. तो आज वो अच्छा लग गया तो कर ही दो. Yes, I would say you have to have an eye. You are in a good time तो आप कर सकते हैं. So I would say that we are not the person. We are the low fear people. So we don't want to do anything wrong. We don't want to take a huge risk of finance. जो आप इंडस्ट्रियल में वो होता है यार. आप तो कहने कि यार ये तो मैं बैंक से लोन लेगा तभी होता है. मैं घर का खुद का क्या दैट टाइम भैया अपना जितना लिमिट उतना ही काम करो. हमको कहीं से बोरो करके नहीं. अगर मैंने बोरो करके XYZ का अमाउंट लिया वो मेरा एक्सेल रिपोर्ट दिखाएगा वो टर्न ओवर हो जाएगा. नहीं करना है वो नींद ही नहीं आएगी. तो दैट्स हाउ वी आर वर्किंग विद अ वेरी लो प्रोफाइल नथिंग. टच वुड वी हैव कपल ऑफ इतना बड़ा है तो उसमें देयर आर फ्यू पीपल हु बिलीव इन अस. दे हैव joined the thing. There's a happy moment and it's coming up very well.
And also the project is such that we want to create a community. It's not just making houses and selling it. So with every plot, we will design a studio for you. So whatever your family's hobby is, we'll ask. So imagine a community of 55 different hobbies. The kind of cultural connection happening, that is what we're looking for. That is your experience. You're not just buying a house because of, oh, it is in this location, you'll appreciate or something. We want actual users and to enjoy that. The experience that we have been giving our clients over the years. के भाई 10 साल के बाद even if we meet the client, like I say, Hiren भाई मजा आ गई. Like, you know, we love living in this house. We want people to experience that.
कि आप एक जगह जाते हो एक पल्स आ जाता है.
Yes.
Right? Some places you walk in and you get a very calming effect.
Right.
Some places you go in अपने आप blood pressure ऊपर जाता है. Some places cricket stadium में आप चले जाओ.
Right.
Right? Even जब cricket stadium खाली है.
हाँ.
Right? But you can sense the vibe, energy and the hyperness of that place.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And आपके बातों से लग रहा है that this the Monkey Forest project is going to be a very soothing, calming place कि पूरे दिन मेहनत करो. But when you walk in, or you come in for your weekend or whatever it is, when you walk in, you get what you want out of life.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? Which is what I call that design in general, whether it's product design, it's space design, it's architecture, landscaping, any kind of design, has to take care of the actual need humans की जो होती है. Right? Anushri, you spoke about the vision for the firm for the next 10-15 years. Hiren ji, आपका क्या vision है?
Yeah.
Where do you feel the country should be
Yeah.
going in terms of architecture?
I want to have 50% of international projects.
Okay.
I want my base will be Ahmedabad. Yeah, I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, I want to scale in that sense, not in terms of numbers, but in terms of the quality of projects that we're also doing. Want to do more institutional stuff, which have bigger impacts on the overall architectural scenario.
Right.
Get into maybe urban as well.
Right.
Get into government projects. Lots of hopes and visions.
Lots of things to do, and
Lots of things to do.
the sense that I'm getting is to take Hiren sir's vision or his impact that he's having on lives at a larger scale. If
100%.
that's the way, I don't know. That's the way I can put it.
I say that India is on a mad rush.
Yeah.
And we are responsible to make something more meaningful for the society as a totality. So abhi kya hai ki we talk about smart cities, but what is the real smart cities? So there are no clarity. So we have lots of good vision of our own things, but we have to build something which is much more meaningful, much more powerful. I remember the Paris in 1987. They decided to invite the topmost architect from the world to get the boosting for their tourism. अभी आप पेरिस को कहाँ टूरिज्म चाहिए इतने सारे. तभी भी they thought, and that's how the Louvre Museum happened and Beltrami's garden happened, to the new arc happened, right? So what they brought the things. Now हमारी गवर्नमेंट में वो thought process नहीं है. तो like I happen to meet और मेरे so they have कि अच्छा पैनल पे नाम ये प्रोजेक्ट करना है, एडवर्टाइजमेंट दो, उसमें पैनलिस्ट में जो आर्किटेक्ट को सब अप्रूव करो, उसमें से वो अप्रूव हुआ, उसमें से फ्लोट करो, वो आर्किटेक्ट का जो पैनल में जिसने अप्लाई किया है उसमें से जो लोएस्ट है उसका काम दो. ऐसे नहीं होता है. So I was meeting one the top leader of the political. I said, sir, गुजरात टूरिज्म आपका एक एग्जाम्पल है, आप उसको क्यों नहीं फॉलो करते? इससे क्या है? ऐसे गुजरात टूरिज्म कैसे चेंज हुआ? गुजरात में तो कोई आते ही नहीं थे, राजस्थान और गोवा एंड केरला इज वेरी पावरफुल. तो यू ब्रॉट अमिताभ बच्चन एंड उसने बोला कि कुछ दिन बिताओ गुजरात में. That's how the white run has become powerful, right? So what you brought अमिताभ बच्चन. तो अमिताभ बच्चन ने आपकी पैनल में लिस्ट में ऐड किया था कि मैं हूँ. आप गए अमिताभ को लेने. उसके बाद फॉर्मेलिटी क्या होगा कि अमिताभ बच्चन के जी का नाम उसमें जुड़ो, उस फॉर्मेलिटी वो अलग है. बट यू हैव टू गो टू द पीपल. तो यू हैव टू गो टू द डिजाइनर्स. नो गुड डिजाइनर्स अ टाइम फॉर यू. आप मुझे आपकी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में बिठाएंगे, मैं 2 बजे जाऊँगा, 6 बजे तक IAS ऑफिसर साहब, यस आई रिस्पेक्ट देम ड्यूली, मैं 6 बजे तक उनके लिए वेट करूँगा, फिर उनसे मीटिंग करूँगा. तो अच्छा आर्किटेक्ट कोई नहीं आएगा. तो यू आर लूजिंग. और आप 500 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट डाल रहे हो. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आर्किटेक्ट यू आर गेटिंग? एंड रीजन आपको अमिताभ बच्चन लाना पड़ेगा. आपको इंडस्ट्री में अमिताभ बच्चन, मैं नहीं बोला मुझे लाओ, आप नॉर्मल फोर्सर को लेकर आइए. हु स्टॉपिंग टू यू? वी आर कैपेबल ऑफ डूइंग नाउ दिस. So this is what I feel. I wish our government people understand on this. Then the things will be wonderful. Otherwise हम कुछ बनाएंगे वो वापस 10 साल में तोड़ना ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ, it is quite critical to make
Yeah.
sure the landscape is being set well right
Yeah.
now. In terms
Greenery
of
is कुछ नहीं हमारे पास. We are losing what?
Yeah.
3%. 3% of green is what I feel.
That's such a true and valid point. So thank you for coming on the show. It was such a wonderful conversation and time कहाँ गया मुझे तो पता ही नहीं चला. But I hope you all enjoyed.
We
And
loved it. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so much.
coming
Thank
and
you.
doing this with us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Lovely.